We are here at Losma India and we are here with Vrushal Phadnis, the MD of the company. So hi sir, how are you?
Hello Pratiksha, I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm also fine sir.
Firstly, welcome to Losma India, you and your team.
Thank you so much sir. You have a very great factory. I can see there are a lot of machines and many things are going on.
Thank you.
So would you like to introduce us about Losma a little?
Sure. So Losma India is subsidiary of the Losma Group, and Losma Group was incorporated in 1974. So we are about 50 years old now, and we specialize in the industrial air and liquid filtration systems, primarily catering to the metal working industry. And our customers are major automotive OEMs and their tier 1 and tier 2 suppliers. But we also cater to niche sectors like aerospace and electronics. And Losma products primarily include oil mist filtration systems, fume extraction systems, as well as coolant filtration systems, which are used in machine tools.
Okay, that's really great sir. So you have a lot of experience about manufacturing, the air filtration things and everything, and being a strategist at the core. Would you like to tell us about your future vision regarding the Indian market for Losma?
Well, the Indian market has been extremely successful for the Losma Group. We have completed 12 years in the Indian market this year. And with our collective experience of 50 years in the market, we can say we've done a great job in the Indian market, as our products are known for high efficiency, their robustness, their durability, and we back it up with world-class after-sales service. So this has actually enabled us to become preferred suppliers for most Indian as well as foreign machine tool manufacturers operating in India. Now, when it comes to the Indian market, India has come a long way from and is still evolving in terms of being a price-driven market to a value-driven market. And this has really helped us in achieving our growth targets in terms of revenues as well as in terms of volumes. What the future holds for Losma, we are very optimistic. There are a lot of talks of global recession, there are headwinds of recession, etc., slowdown. However, for us, we forecast great years ahead for us this year as well as the forthcoming years. And this can be seen by the way we are augmenting our production capacities and also adding talent to the company on a very regular basis. So we are we find it a very promising market.
That is absolutely amazing. And Losma is in the filtration, the air filtration, right sir?
Yes.
So Losma has been protecting not just the environment, but the operators themselves, the people who are standing right in front of the machine in the manufacturing process. So Losma is there to rescue those operators as well as the environment. So hats off to that sir. This is something really great and amazing thought we can say.
Thank you.
Right? So always keeping the customers at forefront and protecting them, Losma is now going to participate at IMTEX metal cutting exhibition, which is going to be held after 4 long years. So what are your thoughts regarding this exhibition, sir?
Well, IMTEX has been our go-to event when it comes to displaying new technologies and even demonstrating our capabilities to a wide set of customers on a single platform. Customers which are existing and also prospective. Now, after this long 4-year hiatus, we are really excited to go back to BIEC, participate in IMTEX, and we want to welcome all the visitors to our stall, show what we are displaying. We have some new products on display also, some new technologies for some new applications. And at this edition of IMTEX, we are bringing something called TECHSHORTZ, which is a series of mini presentations which are of 20-minute duration, which will be at the stall itself. And this will give the visitors a deeper insight into our products and technologies as they view the products on display. So they get a little bit of theory as well as practical knowledge looking at the products. So I urge all your viewers to go online. There's a link available on our LinkedIn page. Register on it because I think it's going to be a very useful within IMTEX to attend.
That's really nice, sir. So you have already heard for the invitation. Visitors, please do visit Losma at IMTEX and take a walk through their wide range of innovations and get to know how Losma works.
Yes, we are located at A139 in Hall 5. So I look forward to welcoming your team again as well as all your visitors to our stall.
Yes, sir, definitely. We will definitely visit your stall and we will be meeting again at IMTEX 2023. So all the very best for the exhibitions.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thanks
so much.